Asus Vivobook 16 AMD Ryzen AI 7350 Review. Best mid-range laptop for everyday use and AI tasks. Looking for a big screen laptop that can handle everyday work, multitasking, and modern AI features without moving into premium laptop pricing? The Asus Vivobook 16 with Ryzen AI 7350 is an interesting option, but it has one important compromise. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Ryzen AI 7350 is an 8-core, 16-thread processor with boost speeds up to 5 GHz, paired with an XDNA2 NPU rated for up to 50 TOPS. That makes this laptop capable of handling demanding everyday productivity, multitasking, and supported local AI workloads. Asus also offers configurations with up to 32 GB of DDR5 memory and up to a 1 TB PCIe 4 SSD, although the exact configuration depends on the market. The 16-inch display uses a 1920 by 1200 resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio, 60 Hz refresh rate, and around 300 nits brightness. The taller 16:10 screen is useful for documents, browsing, and productivity, but this isn't a display designed for high-end gaming or professional color work. For everyday performance, the Ryzen AI 7350 is the main strength. Independent testing found the Vivobook 16 responsive in office and productivity workloads, while its integrated Radeon graphics are suitable for casual use and lighter gaming, rather than demanding AAA gaming. The design is practical rather than luxurious, and the laptop offers a useful selection of ports, including USB, HDMI, and a headphone jack. Depending on the configuration, you can also get an IR camera for Windows Hello. There are some drawbacks. The 42Wh battery tested at around 6 hours and 50 minutes in Wi-Fi and video testing, so battery endurance isn't a standout feature. The display's limited color coverage also makes it less appealing for serious photo or video professionals. Under sustained heavy workloads, the cooling system can also become noticeably louder. Overall, the Vivobook 16 makes the most sense for students, professionals, home users, and anyone who wants strong everyday CPU performance with built-in AI acceleration. If gaming, long battery life, or a high-quality display is your priority, there are better alternatives. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below whether you think the Vivobook 16 is worth buying.